Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you how I make my smothered shrimp with andouille sausage over parmesan grits, guys. This recipe is super simple, easy, but yet delicious. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I like to cook my grits first over medium heat. In a large pot, add your chicken broth, season with black pepper, and allow this to come to a boil. Now that it's boiling, go in with your grits, and we're going to stir that in. After stirring it for about a minute, this is how it's looking. Now go ahead and turn the heat down to low, cover, and we are going to allow this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. While your grits is cooking, go ahead and prepare your vegetables. After getting your vegetables ready, go ahead and slice your sausage. After slicing your sausage, go ahead and season your shrimp with some creole seasoning and cayenne pepper. Give that a mix. After 15 minutes, this is how it's looking. Now go in with your heavy whipping cream. Give that a stir. Add your parmesan cheese. Give that a stir. And this should be it for our grits. This looks amazing. Over medium heat in a large skillet, add your olive oil. Now sear your shrimp for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove your shrimp and place them on a platter. After cooking your shrimp, go ahead and cook your sausage. We're going to cook them until they have a nice golden color. After your sausage are done, place them on a platter and set them aside. To that, add your bell pepper, celery, and bell pepper. And go ahead and saute for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add your garlic and cook for another minute. Season with black pepper, creole seasoning. Give that a mix. Add your diced tomatoes. Chicken broth. Add your sausage back to the skillet. And bring it to boil. Now drop the heat to low and simmer for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, this is how it's looking. Now add your heavy whipping cream. Now allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. Add some parsley. Add your shrimp back in. Go ahead and simmer for another minute, and this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my shrimp and grits is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? You guys really need to try this recipe and let me know how you like it. And my mouth is watery and I cannot wait to enjoy it. That is so delicious, guys. Go ahead and give it a try. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.